Katha kahe so Kathak kehlave. Kathak is recognized as one of the 8 major classical dance forms of India. Kathak originated from Uttar Pradesh, a state in northern India. Evolving from traveling bards known as Kathakars who narrated stories from mythology and scriptures in temples. The word Kathak is derived from the Sanskrit word Katha. Gharanas, schools. There are major 3 gharanas in Kathak. The Jaipur Gharana, renowned for its technical brilliance, powerful footwork, and complex compositions, was founded by Sri Bhanuji. Key traditional gurus include Hanuman Prasad Ji, Hari Prasad Ji, Sundar Prasad Ji, Durga Lal Ji, and Narayan Prasad Ji. The Lucknow Gharana, known for its grace, abhinaya, and thumri style, was pioneered by Ishwari Prasad and developed by Bindadin Maharaj Ji, Kalka Prasad Ji, and their descendants. Key gurus include Achan Maharaj Ji, Lachu Maharaj Ji, Shambhu Maharaj Ji, and the legendary Pandit Birju Maharaj Ji. The Banaras Gharana, historically known as the Janaki Prasad Gharana, is characterized by its exclusive use of Natwari pure dance bowls, intense energy, and technical precision. Founded by Janaki Prasad, major maestros include Sitara Devi Ji, Pandit Sukhdev Maharaj Ji, Gopi Krishna Ji, and Sunayana Hazari Lal Ji. Raigarh Gharana. Recently, a 4th Gharana, Raigarh Gharana has gained recognition as a new emerging style developed under royal patronage. The Raigarh Gharana of Kathak is a prominent and young Gharana founded in the 20th century by Raja Chakradhar Singha of Chhattisgarh. It is a unique blend of the Lucknow and Jaipur styles, known for its intricate rhythms, pakhavaj bowls, and unique compositions like Megha Pushpa Dalbadal. Raja Chakradhar Singha himself was a renowned dancer, tabla, and pakhavaj player. Along with storytelling, Kathak is known for its fast spins and complex footwork. In frame, globally renowned Kathak maestro and a leading exponent of Jaipur Gharana, Pandit Rajendra Gangani. Kathak is a perfect blend of nritya and nritya. That means a perfect amalgamation of technique and expression. Kathak travels through 4 distinct phases, transforming from a sacred storytelling ritual into a refined stage performance. The Bhakti movement. During the Bhakti movement, Kathak transformed from simple storytelling into a deeply devotional art form depicting stories of Radha Krishna and also stories from Krishna's childhood. It involved deep emotions such as intense longing, love, and oneness with God. Mughal era. The golden era of Kathak is considered to have begun under the 3rd and greatest ruler of the Mughal dynasty, Akbar the Great. Kathak travelled from temples to royal courts. This era added a new Persian element. British Raj. Kathak witnessed a significant decline during the British Raj due to various factors including social stigma and the loss of royal patronage. Yet Kathak was kept alive within families and small communities through Guru Shishya Parampara. Modern era. After the decline of the British Raj, Kathak moved from court-oriented performances to stage performances. Kathak today is a global classical dance form that experiments with contemporary innovations, maintaining its authenticity. Now Kathak is established as a leading classical dance form. Instruments used for Kathak dance. Tabla, sarangi, harmonium. These are the central instruments used in Kathak dance. Other instruments: pakhavaj, flute, dilruba, sarod, suramandal, tanpura, sitar. Finally, the sole, primary musical instrument and sacred ornament for a Kathak dancer are the ghungroos. Costumes in Kathak are a reflection of Hindu tradition and Mughal influence. Lehenga choli, a flared long skirt with an inner layer and a fitted blouse paired with a dupatta. Anarkali suit, Mughal influence, A long frock style kurta paired with chudidar, fitted leggings, and a dupatta. Jewelry, mang tika and jhumar, necklace and earrings, bangles and armlets. Makeup and hairstyle. Bright red alta applied to the palms and feet to accent hand gestures and footwork. Makeup, heavy eye makeup with thick kajal, bold lipstick and bindi. Hair, a neat bun, juda decorated with gajra flowers or braids decorated with parandi. Costume of male dancer. Top or a tunic, a long flared angarkha tied on the side or a knee-length kurta is common. Bottoms, tight-fitting churidar trousers or a traditional dhoti. Waistband, a sash or dupatta is frequently tied around the waist to enhance posture and elegance. Accessories, minimum jewelry compared to female dancers. Thank you for traveling back in time with me to explore the brief history. I am truly grateful for your time and your interest in preserving our cultural heritage. May the stories of the ancient Kathakars continue to inspire you. See you soon. Take care.